Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please support me by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop video like this, you will be the first to notify. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and drop your thought in the comment section. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you are going to get this 3,000 meme point. So ensure you watch this video to the end and do not skip any part of this video. So without wasting time, their snapshot is going to take place today. So you only have today to complete the criteria that you are not eligible for. So if you are not eligible for the cyber check, there is a form that you will go and fill the form. I'm going to leave the form in the description of this video. So once you click on the form link, it's going to take you to the website where you are going to answer some questions. Once you fill in the information, then you are going to submit, and then you come back after some hours, and then you are still going to click on am I eligible. So that is it about cyber check. So I'm going to show you how you are going to get this 3,000 meme point. So here you can see that I have 0 meme point. So once you come to the dashboard, you are going to click on this trading board. You can see it here. You are going to click on it. So once you click on it, then here you can see Blum trading board. It's going to take you to this interface. Then for you are going to see start. You are going to click on start. Then this is the interface in front of you. So once you come here, you can see these are the address that you are going to copy. Either you can send Solana, you can send Ton wallet, you can send BNB, any network of your choice. So for me, I'm going to send Ton to this wallet. Remember, the Ton that you have in your wallet, you are going to send it to this Ton address. This is the wallet that you are going to trade this meme token. So you are going to tap on it. Once you tap on the Ton address, so you go to your Ton keeper or my Ton hub and deposit Ton into this wallet. So the minimum Ton that you are going to send, you can either send 0.2 Ton or you can send 0.5 or 0.8 Ton. So I'm going to send 0.2 Ton to this wallet, and I'm going to use my Telegram wallet. So if you are using your Telegram wallet, then you follow this step, and if you are using Ton keeper or Ton wallet or any decentralized and centralized wallet, just follow this step that I'm showing you. So once you come here, you are going to click on send. So once you click on send, you can see Ton. So if you have any cryptocurrency in your wallet, then you are going to select Ton. You are going to change it to Ton. Then you are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, then you can see we have 3 options. You are going to click on this second option. So once you click on this second option, then you are going to paste the address you copy. So once you paste the address, then you are going to click on continue. Then you are going to input the amount that you want to send. So once you input the amount, then you are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, then here you can see these are some information that you need to know. Then you read all this information. So they do not have any memo, so you are just going to click on confirm and send. So you are going to enter your password. So here you can see Ton send. Your transaction is being processed and will be completed soon. So you can see we have successfully sent this amount to the Blum trading board. So now we will go back to the board and let's refresh our dashboard. So once you come to your dashboard, then you are going to click on token list. So once you click on token list, then you are going to click on Ton hope. So once you click on turn hope, then you can see these are the tokens that have been listed on this Blum trading board. So you can see we have Notcoin, we have Pixel, and we have some other tokens. So I'm going to trade Pixel, but you can choose any token of your choice. So once you click on this Pixel, you can see that the turn that we sent to this address have been confirmed, and here you can see this is my balance 0.21. so once you come here, you can see this slippage, you are going to leave it at 25%, but you see buy amount, you are going to click on this pencil icon. So once you click on it, you are going to set the amount 0.1. so I will send it. So here you can see I've changed it from 1.5 ton to 0.1 ton. Then I'll click on buy. So guys, here you can see insufficient balance. Minimum balance required is 0.411 ton. Please deposit ton and try again. So you know, before is 0.2, but right now you need 0.4 ton for you to complete this task, and you can withdraw your ton once you have complete this transaction. So you are going to send the 0.4, you are only going to trade with 0.1 or 0.2 ton, but your balance, make sure your balance is up to 0.411 ton. So here I'm going to deposit again, then I'm going to continue this as. So guys, I've deposit 0.411 ton. Then you are going to click on buy, but before that, make sure you send at least 0.42 or 0.412 ton. So once you send it, then you are going to click on buy. So once you click on buy, you can see processing token Pixel, that's not Pixel. Then here you can see confirm, I've successfully purchased this not Pixel token. So now we are just going to wait. You can see waiting for confirmation. So you can see I use 0.1 ton to trade on this Blum. So what you need to have is 0.4 in your balance. So that 0.4 in your balance, you can trade any amount of ton you want to trade with. So for instance, if you want to trade with 0.2, you can trade with 0.2. If you want to trade with 0.1, you can trade with 0.1. So here you can see done. I've successfully purchased this not Pixel. Then I'm going to click on sell again because I don't need this not Pixel. So I'm just going to click on sell Pixel. So once you click on sell Pixel, you can see the slippage is 25%, sell amount 100%. Then I'm just going to click on sell. So I'm going to sell it all. So here you can see what this Blum are up to. You can see that if you want to sell the token, they are still asking you to deposit another ton again. So to avoid all these trades, if you want to buy token from this Blum and if you want to sell it, just deposit at least 0.8 ton or 0.9 ton. So once you deposit that 0.9 ton, then you will not be depositing this ton again. So you can see I deposit 0.4, but they are still asking me to deposit another ton again for me to be able to sell my token. So you can see this is another red flag, but that's it. So if you want to sell, you cannot sell unless you deposit another ton again. So you are just going to click on main menu. So once you click on main menu, then now we'll go back to the Blum board and let's claim our meme token. Once you come to your Blum app, then you are going to click on end section. So once you click on this end section, then you are going to click on chain. So once you click on chain, then you are going to scroll down. You can see trade any token in Blum. Once you have traded, then it's going to reflect. So once you come here, you just claim your point, then you will come back. Here you can see my balance. I have up to 3,000 of this meme point. So now you are going to click on am I eligible? Then you click on check if you are in. If you complete this criteria and it's still showing you like this, then you just wait patiently after some hours, or you still fill the form. All this link form, I'm going to leave them in the description of this video. So you just go there and fill the form before the end of today. If you want to send your turn back to your turn keeper or your turn hub, then you come back to the Blum trading board. If you want to withdraw your turn, that's the turn that you trade on this Blum trading board, then you are going to click on wallet. Then you are going to click on turn wallet. But if you send Solana, you are going to click on Solana wallet. And if you send BNB wallet, then you are going to click on BNB wallet. But I sent turn, so I'm going to click on turn wallet. So once you click on turn wallet, then here you can see withdraw all turn. You are going to click on withdraw all turn. Then you are going to paste your turn wallet address. Then you click on send. Once you click on send, then your turn will be deposited to your turn wallet. So guys, that is it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And before you do anything, like I said, please do well to make your own research before taking any risks in this Blum airdrop. Please subscribe.